What's going on, guys? So I know it's been a minute since my last video, but got the Gsxr out today. My buddy's on the Pro 250. We're about to go to the store, then back to my house, but I figured I'd do a little video for you guys. It is getting a little bit chilly out here. Probably about 50 or so right now, but it's getting dark and I just don't like the cold that much. But any excuse to get the bikes out, I know I just had to do a video. I have like an hour-long riding video I did with a little group ride. I have a couple parts to it, honestly. But I haven't been able to upload it because it's so long, so I've been working on that. Sorry, yeah, I've been working on that video. Hopefully I can get that uploaded for you, but I know it's just been so long since I've uploaded anything. I just need to make a point to make a video today. Yeah, this is my buddy on the Pro. I'm actually renting it out to him. He's been riding it for about a month or so before the season ends. He's looking for a bike, but he just wanted something to ride meanwhile, and I want to get some miles on that thing, so it worked out for both of us. But yeah, let's do a little video. It's getting chilly, like I said. Let me actually turn my heated grips on. They are a lifesaver. I just have bad circulation in my hands and feet, so I get cold real easy. I don't mind being cold, but if I lose feeling in my hands and feet, that's no good for anybody. Hope everyone's doing well. I know it's been a long time since my last update, but excited to do this video today and get a little content out there for you guys. Next year is going to be a lot better. I have been riding on and off, but I've been super busy with housework and work and just so many different things. So yeah, let's just go for a little cruise and I'll let you guys tag along. You think I should do a wheelie in front of the police station? Probably not the best idea. Whoop whoop. Yeah, the Pro is pretty sick little bike. See if he turns left here. Okay, cool. Yeah, I got that bike on Amazon. I built it. I got it registered, insurance and all that good stuff on it. See if I can get him a little scared. Oh boy. I don't think it's a cop in front of me. A little bit closer to find out. Just gooning it around. I love when he tucks down on that bike. It's hilarious. That bike's pretty fun. It's got the off-roading tires, so you can go on and off-road. Like I said, it's plated, so it's pretty sweet. It's actually like all registered, and it'd be a nice little bike to be able to just ride around town, little commute bike. If you want to dip off in the woods or go on a trail ride, you can. It only goes probably 50 or 60. I've been thinking about changing out the exhaust on that bike. I think it just feels really restricted whenever you're riding, but it's pretty cool. Fun little toy. I love this road. It's a nice little straightaway, but it's only like a 25. But yeah, guys, I hope you're all doing well out there. I know this is a very random little moto vlog. We're actually going to the pet store. We're picking up some crickets for his gecko, so that should be a fun little thing. Maybe I'll take the GoPro inside. I doubt it though. It would be funny though. But I hope you're all doing well. Comment below. Hopefully you guys are still riding if it's nice where you are. I do plan on doing more content. I've been kind of lazy on the YouTube videos, I can't deny it. Whoop, whoop. But I'm doing a video now, so I'll post this hopefully later tonight. Maybe it's a little Halloween haunted house. Not sure. Little Pro Hawk Chinese bike. Well, I haven't ridden in a while, guys, but I love getting the bike out. Getting a lot more comfortable on it, even though I haven't been putting a lot of miles on. Next year is going to be my year, guys. I swear, next year.
That road's pretty fun to fly down.
What'd you say?
You got a couple of nice wheelies going there.
I was just doing a couple little ones. I'm like talking while I'm riding, so I wasn't really that focused on what I was doing. It's like so, like, it's such a nice straightaway, but it's so dark I can't like see what, like, even the car in front of me, I had to like get right on it to see like what it was before I went.
I feel like that's the perfect road for like the middle of the night in the summer.
Yeah.
You know, it's like everyone goes straight.
I was saying that, come out here like late at night, have a couple bikes.
You just fly down.
Cut the zip ties, you know.
This thing, I think this exhaust is so restricted, like, I tried to pop the clutch, it's just like...
I was just saying that, I was like...
It's like, you watch YouTube videos of people wheeling in these.
Oh, you have?
I did, it's possible.
Yeah.
I don't know how they get it up, if it's first gear, because I tried to pop the clutch in like second gear, and it didn't seem like it wanted to.
I bet in first gear it might, but I don't know.
I don't want to risk it though.
Yeah, I know. I'll test with it later.
Yeah.
We still get the turn signal fixed. Whenever I wired it up, the turn signal's reversed.
Fair point.
Yeah. Wanna do a burnout? Let's see if the Pro Hawk's got it.
Yeah, I want to get these tires bald. Here we go.
Before you give it back, I want no tread left. I want slick tires.
I can just see myself trying to do a burnout and just throw in the bike.
Just make sure we have a more expensive car in front of us.
Yeah.
Oh man. Joking, of course.
If someone had no idea what you were doing, they just think you're high beaming them because your headlights.
Yeah. This light takes forever, I swear. Neutral, there she is. Feel the grips, they're heated. Feel the heat. I don't know if you reach. Can you feel it?
Oh wow, yeah.
This knob keeps falling out.
My car, yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. Mickey D's. Alright guys, I'll probably turn the camera off, turn it back on the way home. I know this is the most random video, just kind of goofing around, but I just had to make a video for you guys and for myself. Made a point to tell myself today I was going to do a video, got later than I thought. But hey, something's better than nothing, right? Be back soon. I just thought it'd be cool to get in a coffee feel.
Yeah, I like
Have like
them.
a whole.
They're not super loud.
Have like a whole
either.
flock of them.
A whole flock.
Yeah, seriously, like outside, do like a flight cage. You got your crickets?
Crickets, phone keys, wallet, and the motorcycle key out.
Alright, we got the crickets, let's get going. Good old Pet Supplies Plus run. Ooh. She's always a little finicky to start. Yeah, those bikes are nice, those Pro Hawks, but starting them it is a little bit of work. You gotta like put it in clutch. Not clutch, what am I saying? You have to put the choke on. There's a half choke and a full choke. When it's warmer it starts easier, but you have to like give a little bit of throttle as you start it, and there's a little bit of play to it. So I think if I change out the carburetor and do a couple mods, it's not so restricted with the exhaust as well. And also I think you just put the first, that's another reason I was letting them ride this bike for a while. You put like 100 miles on it, so it's probably got like 120 now. But previously it didn't have like 8 miles, so the bike needs broken in a little bit. So he was helping me out, he's paying me a little bit of money for it, so it's a win-win. Get some miles on it, I get to ride with somebody, get the bike out of the garage, do the first oil change, all that good stuff. So yeah, fun little mini ride. Get to stop at the pet store, go back to my place now, call it a day. Nice little short video just to let you guys know I'm still here, still riding, got the bikes going. On the way home, he knows where I live, he can catch up. Ooh, kitty cat. Do you guys see that? They almost ran out of the driveway, she changed her mind. See if I get a little toe drag for time's sake. Woo! I gotta get home and be too reckless out here. A little cold be cutting grass, my man. But hey, I don't know. I think that's a grass. I think it's a lawnmower. Might be a, yeah. Guy's got it packed in there. Maybe it's something else. It's some sort of a machine. Pro Hawk 2000. little rusty on my videos. I feel like it's been a while since I've been on the GoPro just talking to you guys. But I'm glad I'm doing it. Like I said, I'm gonna try to do more videos. Just been lazy, no excuses. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you're riding. Yeah, check out my old videos. I know some of my first videos were a big hit, and that's the thing. I always like to update and show what I'm doing. If I'm not doing anything new, I don't really show what I'm doing. So I wanted to show the Pro Hawk. I wanted to just make some content for you guys. So thanks for watching. Talk to you guys hopefully soon. It's about to be winter time, so it's going to be a little tough, but alright, peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment below if you made it to the end. See ya.